Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna be wheel swapping that Zamac right there. Hell yeah, check it out. Awesome. This is gonna be a nice wheel swap. Pretty cool. I haven't seen anybody wheel swap this one yet. Alright, let's get to it. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of this package. Open. There we go. Alright. There's the Zamac. Cool. Man, that's a nice decal on it. Sweet. That's a Zamac right there. Really tiny letters. Wow. Pretty cool. Need some red taillight paint. Front is done nicely. Sweet. Awesome. Nice. Yeah, and I'm testing out this new camera too. S21 Samsung 4K by 60. Alright, let's get to this. Man, check that out though. That is very nice. Cool. Hold on. Let me compare it with one of Frankie's super awesome custom Zamacs. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Ooh, look at that. This is actually paint. This is silver paint. That's not polished. That's paint. Silver paint. This is polished. Sweet. Very nice. So we got silver paint and polished metal. Awesome. Sick. Stay right there. Okay, let's get this bad boy opened. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Let's get this bad boy drilled. Alright, so yeah, Frankie's other super decided to join the party right there. Awesome. Bam, look at those two chromed out Supras. So here's the first wheels right here. Bam, went with the chrome 5 stars. Much better look already. Awesome. Man, silver paint is pretty cool though. Not as nice as the polished look though. Check it out. Sweet. Look, these rims actually look good. Chrome look good on any damn sports car. These deep dish 5 stars. Sweet. Other side. Alright, let's try some other rims. Alright, second look right here. Got the black wheels right here. Sick. Nice clean look. Awesome. Nice. That's a simple, clean look. Nice. Alright, let's try another one. Alright, next one is the chrome multi-spoke wheels right here. Looks okay. Sweet. I like it. I like the first chrome ones, 5 stars. This is okay. Alright, let's try one more. Alright, the last set of wheels right here. Bam. The chrome baller wheels. Deep dish. Yeah, this one probably goes the best. Sick. Sweet. Yeah, I like this one best. Chrome looks the best on Zamac. So nice. Man, this is a nice Pininfarina. Sweet. Awesome, awesome. Very nice. Check out that. Nice details. Nice livery. Alright guys, thanks for watching that. Tell me which rims you like best. This is the ones I like the best. Hell yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.